Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Citizens Bank app step by step clearly. Download and open the Citizens Bank app on your device. Log in to your Citizens Bank account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the menu icon, usually in the top left or right corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to reveal various options. Look for the Send Money or Pay and Transfer option. Select Zelle from the list of available payment options. If you are using Zelle for the first time, you may need to enroll by providing your email or mobile number. Follow the prompts to verify your email or mobile number. Once verified, you will be taken to the Zelle interface within the app. To send money, tap on the Send Money option. Choose a contact from your list or enter the recipient's email or mobile number manually. Enter the amount you wish to send. Add a note or message if desired, to specify the purpose of the payment. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Tap Send to initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation notification once the transaction is complete. If you want to request money, go back to the Zelle interface. Tap on Request Money. Select a contact from your list or enter their information manually. Enter the amount you are requesting. Add a note if necessary, then review the details. Tap Send Request to finalize it. You can track your transactions within the Zelle section of the app. If you have any issues, consult the Help section of the Citizens Bank app for more information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.